Train services resumed on both tracks of the Cuttack-Nergundi rail section in Odisha Monday morning after the derailment of the SMVT Bengaluru-Kamakhya AC Express, officials said. The accident, which occurred between Kendrapara Road and Nergundi stations Sunday, disrupted operations. East Coast Railway cleared the tracks by 7:15 am and restored overhead equipment by 7:40 am. The Bhubaneswar-New Delhi Rajdhani Express was the first train to pass through at 10:25 am, with normal services gradually resuming. A 22-year-old from Alipurduar, West Bengal, lost his life and 3 others were injured. Compensation has been provided. Due to the disruption, 38 downline and 17 upline trains were diverted. Commissioner of Railway Safety, Southeastern Circle, Brijesh Kumar Mishra, launched an inquiry visiting the site Sunday night. A statutory probe will be held with public testimonies invited April 1 to 2 at the DRM office, Khurda Road Division, Jatni. Written submissions can be sent to the CRS office in Kolkata. Stay tuned to Orissapost Live for more such updates.